welcome to Technical Aspirants. So, in this session, we will discuss about mechanical engineering questions in daily basis every day at 7 p.m. We will cover all the exams like RRB, SSC, ISROs, and state level examinations. Let's get started. This is the question number 1. Which of the following is a power transmitting element? So option A, nuts and bolts. So nuts and bolts are joining elements. These are not power transmitting element. Sprocket and chains. So sprocket and chains are power transmitting element, in which we can see this element on bikes, scooters, cycles, and many more power tools, etc. Axles, these are not the power transmitting elements. So option B is the correct answer. So next question. Question number 2. Machine elements such as bearings are. So here these are the four options: holding type elements, supporting type elements, power transmitting elements, or all of the above. So the answer is supporting type element. Bearings are mainly supporting type elements. These are not holding type nor power transmitting device. So answer is B, the supporting device. Next, question number 3. The shaft directly connected to the power source is called as. So now here this is the line shaft. So there is nothing to discuss. This is the direct question. So the answer is line shaft. Next question. Question number 4. Which of the following is a machine shaft? So machine shaft, crankshaft is a machine shaft in which we can see in a piston cylinder arrangement where piston moves up and downwards. In that case, the power is transmitted to a cam, and the cam transfer the power to the crankshaft, which is connected to the gearbox or another devices. So these uh, this crankshaft is our machine shaft. So for question number 4, option C is the correct answer. Next, which of the following statement is or are true? So in case of question number 5, we can see axles are used to transmit power. So this is not a true statement. Shafts and axles are rotating elements. Shaft is a rotating element, but axles are not a rotating element. So this is also a wrong statement. Option C, shaft transmit power while axle don't transmit power. So option C, this is the right answer. In that case, shaft transmit power, we know all, but axles do not transmit the power. Next, question number 6. Which flat belt drive system has two pulleys mounted on driven shaft and one pulley on driving shaft? So here is the question is two pulley system. One is mounted on driven shaft and another on driver shaft, and there is a belt. So this type of pulley drive is called fast and loose pulley. So option C is the right answer. Next question, question number 7. Which of the following statement are false for belt drive? So in case of belt drive, so at first we see the all the options. So option 1, belt drive is used in application having constant speed drive. So we can see in the bench lathe machine, which you can see all see in your workshop, there are a lot of speed variant. So this is not for a constant speed drive. Okay, so this is false. Next, belt drive can be used at extremely high speed. So for in that case of extremely high speed, we don't use a belt drive. So option 2 is also a false statement. belt drives have low power transmitting capacity. This is a true statement. And 4. Belt drives need continuous lubrication. This is also a false statement because belt drive don't need continuous lubrication. In case of gear drive, there we need a continuous lubrication. So these 1, 2 and 4, these are our false statement. So answer is option D. Next, question number 8. So in that case, every day we will give you one question which you have to do by your own. So question number 8, determine power rating of an electric motor if it runs at 1440 rpm and line shaft transmit torque of 75 Newton meter. Assume reduction ratio 1.6. So in that case I will give you the answer 7.068, but you have to do it in your own. Next question, question number 9. In simple gear train, the direction of rotation of driven gear is opposite to the direction of rotation of driving gear only if. So in that case we take at first two gears. Okay, so in that case if it is meeting one another, then if the direction of first gear is clockwise, then the second gear revolves in anti-clockwise, and if there is another one, then it rotates clockwise, and if there are number 4 gear, it also rotates on opposite direction. So we can see if the number of gears are even, then the direction provides opposite direction, and in case of odd number of gears, it gives you the same direction. So there are two options. Option A, even number of ideal gears are present, odd number of ideal gears are present. So in case of opposite, answer is even. So option A is the right answer. Next, question number 10. Why is an ideal gear used in gear trends? So in that case I teach you in theory of machine lectures. So question, option A, to obtain minimum center distance between driving and driven shaft. This is false. Option B, to have required direction of rotation. Option B, this is a true statement. So we can say the option B is the correct answer. Next, question number 11. The process of creating mechanism and shapes of mechanical elements for a machine to get the desired output for a given input is called as. So you can say this is a designing process, but this is not a designing process, this is synthesis process. Okay, so this is a synthesis process. So option C is the right answer. So next question, which of the following is not a reason to design and redesign a product? So in that case, if we consider a product for designing or redesigning, then we consider it to optimum design or for innovation, appearance, and all of these. So these all are the reasons, and here the question is not a reason, so answer is none of the above. Okay, next question, question number 13. In design process, which process is followed after selecting the material? So in that case, in case of designing process, after selecting the material, we have to consider how it can fail, how the material can fail, or how the object can fail with this material. So determining mode of failure is the right answer. Next, question number 14. Which design consideration deals with appearance of the product? So appearance of the product is called aesthetics. So this is the right answer, the aesthetics. Next, question number 15. The objective of considering ergonomics in machine design is to. So, these are the options: decrease physical stress, make user adapt to the machine, make machine fit for the user, improve appearance of the product. So, in that case, all the ergonomics we considered, or our objective in the of considering ergonomics in machine design is to decrease physical stress. Number 1, this is the right, and option 3, make machine fit for the user. So 1 and 3 is the right answer. So in that case, option C is the right answer. So these are our 15 questions for the day, and then in the next day we will discuss another questions which will help you in your upcoming examinations. So thanks for watching and God bless you all.